The Jeep Gladiator key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. When the battery dies, you'll notice reduced range or complete failure of keyless entry and remote start. Replacing the battery is a simple DIY task. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opening tool. First, locate the seam on the fob, typically on the back or side. Insert the screwdriver into the notch and gently pry the case open, splitting it into two halves. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the orientation, positive side up. Insert the new battery with the correct polarity. After replacing the battery, securely close the key fob case until it snaps together, or if applicable, resecure the screws. Test the fob by locking and unlocking the vehicle from a distance 20 to 30 feet. If it doesn't work, try reprogramming the fob via the Jeep's instrument panel. Dispose of the old battery at a certified e-waste center. For optimal performance, use genuine CR2032 batteries. Be careful during the opening process to not damage any internals. Note that some users have reported needing a Uconnect firmware update in rare instances for the fob to be recognized after a battery replacement.